There's a feather right there and it looks like a roach. So I'm gonna get Ian's reaction and see what he thinks.
It just lies on that tree.
Oh.
You thought that was a roach rat.
Oh dang it. I was trying to prank you.
Oh, you were gonna prank me on your little freaking camera. Nice try. Go on in, little Joey.
Hello, welcome back to another vlog. I was really bad this evening about vlogging. I apologize. Ian's parents came down because me and Ian have a wedding to go to tomorrow. So we were cleaning the house and Sutton was just having a hard time falling asleep. So, and honestly she still is having a hard time falling asleep. And it's past 11 o'clock p.m. I am just going to go to bed and then I'll see you tomorrow. I'll do better tomorrow at vlogging. Good morning.
Squeaking?
Are you squeaking after not going to sleep until midnight?
More like 1 a.m.
Yeah. Oh, big yawns. Very tired, girl. You're so happy this morning. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. The mornings are the best times.
We're
Yeah, he has to go get a haircut, yeah.
You keep following, she keeps on.
She's listing to one side there. Oh, so she wants to be closer to me.
Oh, what? Oh, now she's coming over to me.
Oh, you're going over there.
Oh, look what you've done. Good morning. Sit down. Blue. Blue. Good morning, my love. Good morning. Good morning. How'd you sleep last night? I see that you've made yourself comfortable. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Good morning and happy Saturday. It is like 9 something in the morning and my in-laws are here so I can get some stuff done. Love that. I turned on the wipe warmer last night. Why haven't I not done this sooner? Like, these are warm. So, all of that. I'm gonna go downstairs and eat breakfast now. Before I eat breakfast, I still have no idea what I'm wearing to this wedding today. And that's kind of worrisome. Let me see if I have anything in here that I can wear, because I don't want to wear that dress that I bought from, what do you call it? Is that like too prom-y? Oh gosh. I have managed to take a long time to start getting ready. So I need to focus and start the process of beautification. And Miss Sutton girl is still sleeping. Crazy. She's been asleep for 2 hours. Isn't that wild? I need to do my makeup and my hair, and I need to do that in like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go do that while Blue just scratches himself to death in the background. And then I'll see you whenever it's time to go to the wedding. Yay. Time got away from me. I tried to grab my camera to take with me to the wedding. I forgot it. And then we came back to the house to get some stuff, and I got my camera, and then I never hit record. But I'm going to insert a picture of Ian and I. We did not take a picture at the wedding, unfortunately, but we did take a picture whenever we got home. And that's as good as it's gonna get, truly, because we were just having fun. Time just got away from us. So it is what it is. Please forgive me. The wedding was really fun. And then tomorrow, I think my mother-in-law and I are going to go to Sephora. We're gonna make a point to go to Sephora because she wants to get a few things from Charlotte Tilbury, and I have nothing that I need, but I think all of us girls can find something that they need, you know? So anyways, okay, I'm sorry that I didn't vlog too much today, but I will see you lovely people tomorrow. Ooh, scrunch. Scrunchy. Hi.
Give her here.
Scrunchy girl. Good morning. Good morning. How'd you sleep?
Better than mom and dad.
Oh yeah, for sure. I did not get a good night rest.
No, I didn't either. Okay, you know why I didn't get a good night rest? Because I drank too much at a wedding.
Yeah, I know. Hello. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday indeed.
We are, I feel like in every vlog I say that we're gonna hang up these pictures and then I never get around to it. So we're actually gonna hang them up. I have them all laid out. We already hung up this little mirror holder thing situation by the front door. So that's nice. We need to hang up this thing. I need to put this in the bathroom. I'm getting rid of that. And then I need to hang up these on this wall. But we're starting in the living room first. Can't really make up my mind, but what?
Nothing.
Oh.
You need to go drink some of your wine so you can get in a creative spirit.
Ian thinks that wine is needed to hang up these picture frames. But it's Sunday.
Lord's Day.
Also, I don't know if I've talked about this piece, but this is my great-grandmother's, I think, or something. My mom gave it to me. And we turned it into our bar cart situation. And here we just have some algaes. And this plant typically isn't here, but we actually just took down our Christmas tree. I didn't say that. I didn't record us taking down the tree because it's really depressing. But that's what it's supposed to look like without that plant. I think it's really cute, honestly. It actually turned out to be a really nice
Bar cart?
piece of furniture. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually really like it.
Yeah. Me too.
It doesn't need it.
A stud?
But it scares her more. She don't like that.
Just in time. Just in case. Hi. Oh my goodness, don't get upset.
Belly full?
It sounded like she said
It
yeah.
did sound like she said that. You said yeah? Are you
Okay,
saying?
so I finished, or we finished this gallery wall. There's still some blank space, so we'll see. I need to get a different print for this one because I don't like that one, and a new print for that one because that's ugly. Basically a print for everyone except for that one and that one, and I need to get something to go in there and like dried flowers or something to go in here. And then we got this area all set up. I think I might turn that to the side, but that looks cool. And then in here we finished this one. I don't think I'm going to add anything else to this one. I think this one's pretty much done. So, and I need to style this in some capacity. And like I think I told you, I hung that up, and then that one up. Also, there's Ian's office. Sneak peek, but okay. And then the bathroom. This mirror, Ian put this one up. There was a weird, disgusting mirror here before, but now we put that up, and then I need to get some stuff to put on that shelf. And then that's it. Pretty much. Now this wall doesn't have anything going on, and I have no idea what that square is on the wall. Some kind of foundation issue, obviously. But I need to get a giant picture frame for that wall. Otherwise, it's looking like a home.
Good job.
Look how strong you
How
are.
strong you are, baby. You're a big, strong girl. I've been eating your Wheaties. Tell me about it. What is it? Come up here. Crawl up here and tell me about it.
You see the camera?
Yeah, she loves to do tummy time.
I know.
She's a sporty girl. She likes working out.
Look at you, strong girl. What are you doing? Oh. Uh-oh. Go zoom. Go zoom. Dinner at almost 9 o'clock at night. Avocado toast.
Salad with avocado.
Salad with avocado. Just a bunch of avocado girls. I can't wait for her to be able to try avocado.
Yeah, I can't wait for her to try food. No.
Yeah, I know. Cool, cute.
Do you have the pepper?
Hold on. We're out of limes, BTW. Unfortunately. I've spilt. This morning we went to get brunch, but I don't think I recorded it all this morning.
That was breakfast.
Sorry. Oh, it was breakfast. We were done eating at like 10:30. And she slept the entire breakfast. It was so good. Chef's kiss. I think that's it. We really didn't do much this weekend. Ian needs to put the bookshelf together in Sutton's room. But I don't think it's gonna happen today.
No, not.
Mm-mm. I think it's gonna take like an hour.
Shouldn't take too long.
And now we're going to have bath night. We're all going to shower. It's just so much easier showering all together and washing her that way than filling up her bathtub and doing all that stuff. So we literally just give her a shower. Oh.
Wow. Thank you for the kisses. Yes.
Also, not sure if I said this earlier, but Sutton scratched me on my nose the night. It's a little rude, but she's cute, so I forgive her. Also, Ian was supposed to get his hair cut yesterday before the wedding, and I said, you need to go do it. And he went, what, an hour?
An hour and a half
Before
to
we
2 hours
needed to
before.
leave.
No, I went at 10:30. I got there. We needed to leave at 12:30, and I stood in line forever, and they never got to me. So I went to a wedding with this hair slicked back.
That's so bad. Anywho, that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the night, is literally just take a bath, take a shower, and then get in bed and go to sleep. So thank you so much for watching, And I'll see you next time. Bye.